exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm sorry, I'm exhausted. Brady woke me up at 5 a.m.
I'm really exhausted. We're just gonna go upstairs and crash.
You must be exhausted. Come, have some tea. Sure.
You must be exhausted. Do sit down. I'm making some tea.
Is she sick?
She's exhausted.
I am not depressed. I am exhausted.
God, he's exhausted.
What did you do to him?
Hey, is it okay if we sit down? I'm exhausted.
Yeah, sure.
How is he? Exhausted.
You look exhausted. You should take a vacation when all this is finished. You've earned it.
You're exhausted, you're hungry, can't remember your name, what country you're in.
You gotta be kidding me. Aren't you exhausted?
Who would use exhaustion as an excuse to not make love?
Oh, this is just what I need. I'm so exhausted.
Let's go for a little walk tonight.
Oh no, I'm exhausted, but why don't you take her, Jack?
You look exhausted. I know you didn't sleep again last night, and...
Babe. I'm okay. Do we have you for dinner tonight? I'm afraid so. I'm exhausted. Have a good rest. Thank you.